Welcome to our channel! Good morning! Kahapon ay hindi na ako nakapag-video. Kasi, nasa mood sana akong mag-video yung mga time na nag-video ako after sa school ni Brent. Tapos nagnap, nagising ako, nagmadali na akong gumawa ng dinner kasi 5:30 na, 6 yung uwi ni Mister. After nun, gusto ko sana mag-video ng pagluluto ko, but it ends up low-bat ang camera, pati ang extra battery. So, hindi ako nakapag-film. So, ngayon na lang natin itutuloy kung ano man ang maitutuloy ngayon. And, unahan ko lang kayo ha. Ang video na ito ay literal na stay-at-home mom. So, lagi lang nasa bahay, walang masyadong ginagawa kundi household chores at mag-spend time sa mga bata. So, yun lang ha. Uunahan ko, walang mga ganap-ganap, hindi masyadong lumalabas kasi yung work schedule ng aking asawa ay hectic, busy, walang halong keme at mas matagal yung oras ng pagtatrabaho niya kesa minsan nakakauwi sa bahay at nagsispend time. Kaya pag wala siyang pasok, hindi ako nakakapag-film, or pag nakakauwi siya, hindi na rin ako nakakapag-film kasi we always make sure na mag-spend time with the kids at sa family. So, yun lang. Babalitaan ko kayo mamaya. Magluluto ako. I think ang aking lulutuin for today ay sardinas. Nagre-request ang aking anak na babae ng sardinas. Kasi nakabila ko sa Asian shop. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo. Makalat pa yung bahay kaya. Tapos, ending, dahil nagmamadali kami, dahil ng mga panahong yon ay nagka-extra time lang at on the way yung Asian shop. So, nagmamadali ako. At dahil na-overwhelm yata ako dahil nakakuha ako ng bagoong Barrio Fiesta. So, nagmadali ako kumuha ng sardinas. Pagtingin ko sa resibo, bakit magkaiba yung presyo at yung brand? Mali ang nakuha. Okay lang. Parehas din naman yan silang sardinas. So, isa lang muna kasi hindi naman mauubos namin ni Nini. So, mamimili tayo ngayon. Ligo or 555? Sa Pinas ba, alin ang mas masarap? Kasi ito ang nakalakihan ko yung Ligo. Alright. Let's check. Start tayo sa Ligo. Ligo ang ating napili. Yeah, what's wrong? It's low back.
She's being naughty.
Why is she's being naughty? Because she forgot to charge it. And it's okay because mommy will charge it. Yeah? Don't feel bad. I'm gonna charge it.
Mom, can I turn on the TV?
Yes.
Oh, no.
You have to share it to your brother, di ba? Early morning chaos. Ganito kami tuwing umaga. So, paano ako makakapag-film, di ba? See you later! Ay. morning, olive oil. It helps with inflammation, detoxification, cleansing of liver and kidney. Sabi nila, so there's no harm in trying or doing it. Depende sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. But if not, it's okay. Tapos, apple cider vinegar. You can watch. What do you want to watch? Oh, Brian Renee, you can't force somebody to do something that you want. It doesn't work that way, babe. Ganyan sila kaingay. Mild pa lang yan. Warm up. Tira tayong spam na nilagay ko sa creamy mushroom soup kagabi. So, slice natin. Gusto ko yung maninipis lang. Ate, I'm gonna cook sardines. Are you still gonna eat spam? I'm gonna cook sardines. You're gonna eat spam.
I'm gonna eat both.
Okay.
Fried rice?
Oo.
Careful, ah.
Hey!
Later, somebody will cry. I know.
I know for sure. May iiyak na bata. Oh, see? Oh. Somebody got hurt now. I know. Enough na. Kuya, later. Kuya Brand. Kuya, later we need to practice ha, writing. Yes? Kuya, we need to practice writing later.
No.
Oh, what's wrong? No fighting, please. Ito lang yung mahirap dito. Yung cold rice, medyo matigas. Ano yan? Something happened, yes? Somebody got hurt. Mm. Enough na kasi mga anak. Too much na. Ibalik natin. Enough na brand Renee, ha? Tikol-tikol ka dyan. Mommy said enough. Ay, mga bata. Ano ba yung niluluto ko? Diba? Magulo yung camera. Ayan, yun. Hindi kasi ako makapag-set up ng tripod para sa phone dahil kukunin ng mga bata at mag-iiyakan lang pag hindi nila nahawakan. Nilalaruan nila eh. And this one, fried rice is almost done. Diba tayo? Four sardinas. Okay. Heat the pan. At meron na akong extra onions and garlic na may butter. So, yun lang ang ating gagamitin. And, kayo din ba ganun na pag gagamit ako ng canned goods, I always make sure na hinuhugasan ko yung ibabaw. O pinapadaanan ko siya sa water sa faucet, tapos pupunasan ko bago ko siya i-open. just to be sure at safe. Ewan ko ba, magluluto kasi ako ng kare-kare. So, napasipag akong ng sibuyas at garlic. So, napadami. Kaya sabi nila, di ba, the more the garlic and onion, the more na masarap. Pero feeling ko, hala, na sobra niya. So, last minute, binawasan dito. Just in case ayaw nila ng sardinas. Pero ako, gusto ko yung sardinas. Miss ko na yung sardinas. Nung una, akala ng asawa ko pagkain yun ng pusa. Pero kumakain siya. Wala naman siyang choice eh. So, isa-isa. Tama-tama to. Yung dessert ko, carrot cake. Ewan ko ba na nakaraan, nag-crave ako ng slice cake. Ang binili ng asawa ko, yung maliliit na cupcake, parang ganyan. Hindi ko siya bet. Sabi ko, slice cake. Tapos, nag-send siya ng picture ng carrot cake. Gusto ko lang naman siyang titigan. Pero ayaw ko siyang kainin. Tapos na parang feeling ko, okay, gusto kong kainin. Isang kutsara lang. Tapos nila dito sa ref. Ang weird, eh. Weird lang ang feeling. Sardinas. Sardinas. Ay! Bakit nagtatatalse ang person? Ay! At dahil Pinoy tayo, nalagyan natin ng water yung can. Tapos siya natin itutubig. Diba? Hey, sardinas is the best. Ba't parang ang konti ng laman? Hindi, 4 na piraso malalaki. Pero yung sauce, konti. Ay. Ganun na ba kumunti? Lagyan natin ng pampalasa. Salt. And ground pepper. At konti toyo. Because it's a Filipino thing. Konti lang. Oopsie. And may natira akong lemon. Ay, ano pa ito? Diba? Oh my. Pinas feels. Nakakamiss sa Pilipinas. Kain na! See you later! Okay, go. Lord Jesus.
Finger for okay.
Okay.
Hold your hand.
Hold on.
Lord Jesus, finger for this food.
Thank you for this beautiful day.
Please keep every heart if I work in my cousin and mommy didn't really.
Ah, you want seaweeds?
Yeah, you forgot to get them.
Go up sa akin.
Mommy, I thought you get seaweed.
Dito nga, oh.
Oh. Mom, who wants some seaweeds?
No, thank you.
Do you need some? Okay. I think you share to me. The one that's only I want the French fried and this one.
This one is yummy. That is what you call sardine.
I need it. Oh yes. We're gonna cut this. Yeah. I'll get the rice. Put the rice here.
Yum. Yum fish.
No!
Tastes so good. Oh. I miss this. I miss sardines. Mmm. Perfect.
Mom, Brian wants to go outside again.
No, we cannot.
Mommy, Mom, can we go outside when we finish the food and wait for Daddy? Mom, can
Daddy will go home late, and at the same time, the snow is melting, and there are strangers walking around cleaning their backyards.
Mom,
Mm.
and did they have a trampoline?
No.
Mom, when they play, Mom, did they don't have nothing?
They are cleaning their backyards. I don't know what they have. But just to be safe and sure, just stay inside the house.
Mom, how about Daddy will be on the outside?
Daddy will come home later.
Daddy will come home dark now.
No, it's morning. Look.
Later. Daddy is not around, right? Daddy's at work. Mm. Eat your rice and spam together with your seaweeds.
Very good idea.
Mm.
Maybe I'll add this one for the seaweed.
Mm. And rice.
Oh, Mommy. I told you, Mommy.
What? You're the one holding it.
First using that. I first use.
Branwini, what are you doing? That's dirty.
Oh, pick it. Come on.
Sit down there.
No. Oh.
Hop down now.
Owie.
What are we?
Owie.
Ito talaga. Get a nappy. Go.
Oh.
Change nappy. Ang sarap. Mayroon pa dong rice.
I love Grandpa.
You love Grandpa.
Yeah.
I know. Why do you love him?
He always gets donuts and bring me go to school. And also bring me back home.
dyan.
But also grandma. Right? Are you happy every time grandpa's picking you up from school?
My wearing shoe. It's wearing my shoe.
Ay, nako, Brandon. Your brother is eating. Mm-hmm.
Water.
Where is your water? Where did you put your water?
Are you making ice? Are you making ice?
Madami pa dyan. I'm gonna make,
You might what?
ay, nasa, just up. Put down. Brand, tapos eating your rice.
Kasi si Bran nandyan. Brand, come na.
Brand, you got to move.
Later when you're hungry, I can cook another newly cooked rice for you. Yeah.
Oh, good job.
No.
May upuan ka dito.
You have your chair here.
Mommy, Ati, Brand runs and it disappears. That's magic. Adi, did that magic? Yes or no? Mom, how did Brand sneak to Ati? Maybe Brand turns to a pot flower. Mom, Brand is a flower.
Yeah. Then, you might fall, babe.
My God.
No, you're not eating it.
Mom, the bacon's up here.
That's how bacon spam.
At dahil naubos na ang healthy smoothie namin, ginagawa lang namin siyang parang half glass or shot. Na-late na naman ako ng pag-video kasi meron ditong may pa-assistant ditong isang maliit. Na mahilig maki-eksena. Kaya nagmamadali ako kasi may kutsilyo. Baka maano siya. So, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng celery, usually cucumber, pineapple, blueberry, at naalala ko meron nga pala akong moringa powder. Supplement. Hindi naman siya supplement, parang powder, siya. So, i-blender. Aside sa aking ginagawang olive oil lemon shot, nilalagyan ko din to ng lemon, yung squeezed lemon. Ilalagay na natin siya dito sa blender. Asan ba ako? Dito. Yan. I-blender natin siya. Isaksak. Medyo maingay. It will make a loud sound, okay? On.
hanggang sa saksakan. And that's it. Hindi kagandahan ang kulay niya. I know, right? Kasi yung blueberry, nakakapagpa iba ng color. Tapos dinagdagan ko pa itong Moringa Organic Superfood powder. Para healthy na healthy. Oopsie. Oh. Ay, tinanggal ko. Nilalagay ko siya dito. Tapos, kaming mag-asawa umiinom. Like everyday. Maninibago siya sa lasa kasi naubusan na pala ako ng cucumber. So, more celery. More celery. Ano pa ba? So, ito, yung natira ay iinumin ko. Anong lasa niya? Yung blueberries pala, nilalagay ko siya sa freezer para hindi siya madaling masira. At the same time, yun yung magsaserve as ice. Lalagyan nyo din pala ng water para hindi ko gusto yung lasa. Ayaw ko masyado sa gulay. Pero halos lahat naman ng gulay kinakain ko except yung celery. Hindi ako masyadong fan. Fruits, kumakain ako konti-konti. Madalas ko kinakain is mango, apple. Pero blueberry, hindi masyado. Pero yun yung healthy. So, sinusubukan natin maging healthy. 1, 2, 3. Okay naman yung lasa niya.
More.
You want? You wanna try?
Yeah.
Yes? Here, come.
No.
Mm.
You everything.
Oh, angry na naman siya.
Oh, I see what you're doing to him, Mom.
The healthy drink that Daddy and Mommy's drinking.
Mommy. Mom, no thanks, Mom.
Do you want me to make you a strawberry smoothie?
Why? Mommy, no thanks. I'm full.
Okay.
Mom, I want my manual picture.
Yeah, I know. Naghugas pagkakain, naghugas, nagligpit. Ngayon, may hugasin na naman tayo. Nagsalang na din ako sa washing
I want my manual
machine ng mga damit. Nasa dryer na siya. After nun, magtutupi naman ako. If hindi pa siya tapos, walis, mop, tasalang ako ng mga damit ko. Hindi ako laging nagsasalang ng mga damit ko kasi naman ako palaging umaalis. Hindi rin naman napapawisan pag lumalabas. Tapos lagi rin naman naka-coat. So, wala masyadong ganap. Ilang araw din ako hindi nakapag-vlog. Wala lang ako sa mood. Tinatamad. At saka kasi pagkasama ko yung asawa ko, spend time together. At the same time, marami siyang kwento na pag may camera na, sasabihin na lang niya, mamaya na lang pag hindi na. Hindi rin ako makapag-film kasi pag may music, yan, makaka-copyright naman sa sasakyan. And yun lang yung time namin na nakakapag-usap kami ng kung ano-ano pag nasa sasakyan kasi tahimik. Lalo na pag hindi namin kasama lahat ng bata. Kasi pag kasama mo lahat yan sa sasakyan ako, lahat ng ingay niya, ng awayan. Ay, grabe. Konti na lang. Mauubos na. Ito, lagay na natin sa ref. Para sa kanya yan mamaya. So, everyday, inom kami. that's number 13. 1 and 3. So what are the number that you're studying at school this week? 16. You're at number 16. 1 and 6. Remember you
Mom?
did yesterday?
Mommy,
Hmm?
did you buy a charger or not?
I'm still charging it, I think. It's not yet charged.
Mommy, check first.
No, later na.
Aww. But I want to check when it's not.
Did you ask mommy? Yes or no? Did you ask mommy? Yes or no? Did you ask me? Yes or no? Yes. Did mommy answer?
Yeah.
Yes. Then what is mommy's answer? That's the thing. You have to respect what mommy said or what mommy answered to you.
Mom,
It's not what you want.
I ran out of water.
Okay, mommy will refill it. You say please. Gusto ko sana yung juicer. Kaya lang, bukod sa malaki siya, sabi ng aking mister is nakukuha lang yung liquids, 'di ba? Yung juice. Kailangan ko din ng fiber sa katawan. So much better na i-blend ko na lang. At least lahat ng nutrients makukuha mo. So yun lang. Mamaya ulit, balikan ko kayo. I'm gonna prepare for dinner. iPad TV, iPad TV.
Mommy!
Mag-rest ka dyan.
First it's going to get very I'll wait for the night comes now so I can go to bed. I want to watch.
Bahala ka.
Mommy, but I love you.
I love you also. But that's my answer. If you want to do what you want to do, then...
Me.
Hmm.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Try to be with your ate. Watch what ate's doing. What is she
I
doing?
want to watch TV.
Okay, play a little bit. Shh, Brent Roger? Sige, wake up your brother. Okay.
No.
And you're gonna help mommy so she won't get mad at you now.
Doon daw tabi. Okay, here. And then we're going to bed, alright? You have to change your nappy.
Oh, Brad. Good.
Hi, tapos na ako maglinis dito sa kusina, mga hinugasan.
Nagluto ako kanina ng teriyaki chicken for dinner. Nagmadali na ako kasi yung aga dumating ni Daddy. Anyways, yun lang. Good night. See you tomorrow. Magte-take na ako ng maintenance ko. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.